one word I think of as Sister Ann when I think of her is zeal.
But Sister Ann is a really loving person. Sister Ann is so caring about everyone.
She always puts the families first.
She's a leader.
Sister Ann is like the big mama for all the people here.
She is someone that I can talk to anytime.
She's unfailingly honest. She's tough. She has a great sense of humor.
Sister Ann is a friend. She's pretty spontaneous. She's a courageous person. She's creative.
Sister Ann is very committed. She's very feisty, very opinionated, and we love that about her as well.
I don't think we would have gotten this far if it hadn't been for Sister Ann.
The reason I became a Good Shepherd's sister was because I wanted to be a part of something much bigger than I am and that can really make a difference in the world. It's an international order, so the effect that we can all have as Good Shepherd's sisters is worldwide and incredibly effective.
One of the biggest gifts Sister Ann gives, I think, to anybody that she meets is the gift of presence. She is with you. She is focused on you. She wants to hear what you need.
She taught me how to be confident, how to stand up for myself, how to speak up, how to be independent.
She was like my mom. She helped me in everything. So for me, Sister Ann is my hero.
She did everything. When we need the cooker, she cook. When we need the handyman, she do it the handyman. When we need therapist or mom, Sister Ann is there.
Yes, I have been mom for a lot of the moms, as well as a lot of the kids. But I see myself more as cheerleader. They are the strongest, bravest women I know. And to just tell them that over and over until they begin to believe it themselves.
She is like a mentor to me. From seeing what she's doing, that energy has brought me to believe that I, as an individual, can also make a difference to a family's life.
She tries so hard. And whenever something doesn't come out right, she still has the faith. And she showed me also how to have faith.
Sister Ann and I were friends. We still are. We're always friends. We're friends now. And I knew that she was a registered nurse. And so I called her. My wife had a catastrophic stroke. She had a 50-50 chance to live. And so she kind of helped me there spiritually and also as a friend. And one thing she did, she told me that helped me a lot was, she says, "Okay, Ray, she's going to be okay." I said, "Why do you say that?" She says, "Because all of the nuns of the Good Shepherd throughout the province are praying for her." And it was a miracle she pulled out of it.
I'm Catholic, but it happens a lot of things in my life that I stop like, I don't believe in God. And Sister Ann told me, "Reina, what do you think that you are still here? What do you think you came here? Just because someone sent you here? No, God has something for you."
What most people don't realize is that 75% of battered women who are killed by their abusers are killed after they've left. So I usually start with something like the fact that you're still alive, that you found our front door, that you are here. God was very much in that. God led you here, and God is with you now.
One day I was in the convent and there was a lot of laughter and noise coming from the kitchen. And there were like clanking of poles on the ground. I said, "What could that be?" So went into the kitchen. There she was barefooted, holding up her skirt, jumping between poles that a couple of the staff members were holding. She was doing a Filipino country dance in the middle of the kitchen.
Having fun and being spontaneous is what the shelter's all about. There's a tremendous spirit here at the shelter, and the staff are incredible. They're a lot of fun as well. And we always do something that has a little shock value for the kids and for the moms, just to give them permission to do the same thing.
Sister Ann has really been a role model for all of us. setting the course of this organization for the time that she's been there, and really putting us on a path where we can continue the mission on behalf of the families of the Good Shepherd Shelter.
Sister Ann saved my life, and not only my life, my kids' life. They still with me because of her.
I'm really grateful for everything that she's ever done for me. When I'm feeling low and I call her on the phone, she always has something positive to say to me. And I just want to tell her that I love her. And if it wasn't for her unconditional love, I wouldn't be here today.
You give me my kids back, and you give me my life back. You give me a future for my family and for me. Thank you.
There's no place like the shelter. The staff are incredible. The mothers and children are incredible. Our donors are our lifeline. All of our volunteers, all of our friends are so dear to me and have been such incredible support. I'm just grateful to everyone that I have had a relationship with in my time here. It's been a huge, huge gift to me.